Hey, I'm so glad you're here. My name is London Brazil from evolvingtable.com, and today we're gonna be making healthy cauliflower soup. Yes, an entire head of cauliflower is going into our soup today. I was going to wait just a little bit longer to share this recipe with you all. My mother-in-law, my grandmother-in-law, my husband, just about everyone who tried this soup said, London, you have to put it up so we can all go home and make it too. Well, we're here today and I'm gonna teach you how to make this delicious, creamy, gluten-free, vegan, paleo, and low-carb cauliflower soup. Let's get started. Our cauliflower soup is all pureed up and it's time for a little taste test. Of course, I'm gonna get as big of a bite as this spoon will let me. Oh yeah. Man, that is good. Full of red pepper flavor, tons of cauliflower in there, and y'all, I swear it tastes like there's loads of dairy or heavy cream or some other guilty ingredient in there, but there's not. It's only healthy ingredients in there for you. If you're not already following Evolving Table, go ahead and follow at Evolving Table on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. Or if you're on YouTube, subscribe down below. And don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss a future recipe. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you again soon.